We start with chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis, since the price was here, we mentioned we can expect to see one more drop, and this is what we get. But we are not really interested to look for sell because any opportunity for sell we got was a short term. All right, because as we can see, after the price drop, it turned to a correction, drop, it turned to a correction. All right, we don't like this kind of the trade. Anyway, as long as the price haven't tagged 24, if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And the targets we can look for based on the 1 hour chart is 31.8 following by 33.5. Right? We're looking for buy, and we were not really interested to look for sell from here because as we can see, the way it's dropping is really corrective. All right. And even if we want to look for buy from here, we have to see the continuation as a sharp move, and we need to see the breakout of the 30. All right. Again, at this point, even if the price continue to drop for me, I'm not really interested to look for sell. The only times I will look for sell if this one reverse and it turns similar to what we have here, and this one turned to a running flat. The only difference from this chart to with the other charts is most of the charts we explain, we have to see the price at least tag the previous top. Then we look at that as a flat for the next drop. But for this one, we don't need to wait for the price tag 30, which is the previous top. As long as this one turned to deeper correction, for example, if the price tag 29, we see this one turn to flat. If we see price is not going, if we get the sell from there, we look for sell. Then for me, if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. But I'm looking to see the continuation as a sharp move, and I want to see the breakout of the 30. Then I will look for targets. But if I get any opportunity for buy, we see turns to corrective move and reversal as a corrective move. Either we move our stop loss to break even, or we take out the trade, because at that point we are not going to consider about this. At that point, we can look at this one as a flat in relative to this. We can take this sell. That means we have to see this one turn to a deeper correction before we look for sell, because at that time we can look for the drop as a sharp. At least we can look for the flag to look for sell. Because even if we wanted to sell from here, the only way is to put our entry below this, below this. That's why we didn't want to sell it here. All right. Anyway, at this point, we look for buy. Then if I see it's the price, it doesn't move in our direction, it turns to give us one more drop, and we see this one turn to a flat, then I will give update. But at this point, I'm not really interested to look for sell. I'm looking for buy. And if I move to daily chart, and as we can see, the daily chart, the 27 has become quite a strong support, if we call it at this point, because a few times the price tag, we see the price couldn't break. That's why if we get any reversal, any opportunity for buy, we will take it. All right. Even we call this one as a support, but if we want to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup. Simply, we cannot take the trade, and we prefer to look for buy based on lower time frame. That's me. We're looking for the reversal, because in the bigger picture, we can expect this one to be in relative to this. We cannot put in relative to what we have in the middle. All right. And the only thing is we're looking for the reversal as what I explained based on 1 hour chart. And we have nothing to discuss based on forward chart. Everything similar to what we explained based on 1 hour chart. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And this is the targets as a 31.8 following by 33.5 I'm looking for. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.